Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to my podcast, Smashing Through with Rebecca.x. I am so excited you're here on this episode. Topics include life, business, mindset, full of kick-ass content and high energy. Enjoy the podcast, and remember, you too can smash through and keep going always. Adventures and creations. You are a master of your life, and you need to know that you hold the key to your brain, you hold the reins. It's all about you, and our path and journeys are all unique and different, and you can go on as many adventures as you like, wherever you like, do on whatever you like and what you can, obviously, and also you can create whatever it is. So what I want you to do is really know that we are in this amazing age and era whereby we can do, be, have, create whatever we want. Okay, it's all down to you. So for example, what you may want to do, you may want to go and go and hike Mount Everest. I will go to the local forest. Do you know what I mean? So we're different on that respect. But there's many things that you want to do that I don't, and vice versa. And that is fantastic and brilliant in itself. So what I want you to do is really go and tap into your dreams, the adventures you want to do that you've not done yet. Look back at past experiences that you've had, get the photos out. Please print off your photos. Don't leave them in a camera roll on your phone. Print them off, all of that goodness. And really look at the adventures that you want to do for your life. Do them now. Especially if you're really healthy, do them now. Do what you can do now, okay? And create what you want to create. Because if you have an amazing recipe, do not keep it to yourself. Put it in a book so that if anything happens, the legacy of your recipe can go down the line. You know what I mean? It's like, I wished I'd have got everything off my nan. I've got a few off nan, but I haven't got them all. And I'm like, damn it! You know, but anything from food, creation of business ideas, creation of whatever it is, whatever your skill, talent, knowledge, and expertise and wisdom is, go and do it. Go and create it. Do not live by a little timeline of oh well, I'll do it tomorrow, or I'll do it next week, or I'll do it next year or next month. Just do it now. Honestly, just do it now. Get it out in the world because people need what you have. Okay. And the thing that lights you up is, the adventures that you're on, whether it's spending time with family, maybe you love your work, maybe it's travel, maybe it's moving house, maybe it's helping out at a homeless shelter, whatever it is for you, get and do more of that. So write down what brings you joy, what adventures you want to do. That doesn't necessarily mean climb Mount Everest. You might not want to do that, So what I want you to do is really, really embrace you. Know that you can create whatever it is. You can do whatever you want. You can have and be whoever and whatever you want. And have that belief as well. I remember one time last year, my daughter had walked on a catwalk at Cheshire Fashion Show, and myself and her boyfriend were going home because she was staying overnight and going to the after show party and things with her friends and model friends and things like that. And it was so foggy, I couldn't even see, like literally in front of the car. It was that bad. I was scared. I was fearful. We were on the motorway, which is like the freeway, and we were on the motorway, and I had to really, really slow down because I had no clue of what was in front of me. I could not see anything, and I was really scared at that point for the first time in my entire life of driving a car, but I still went forward with it. I was like, we're going to get home, we're going to get home, we're going to be fine, we're going to be safe, we're going to be fine, you know what I mean? And I used my intuition, my mindset to reprogram the fear, get rid of the fear of doing what I'm doing. So that was a little slight fearful adventure that I didn't plan to be on, obviously, but I still went for it. talked myself, well, I couldn't do anything else. I was stuck on the motorway, like, you know what I mean? So talked myself into keep moving forward with everything, keep going always with it. We're going to get home, we're going to be safe. And it was really testing, but I trusted the road ahead. I trusted the path ahead, knowing that I've been on this motorway so many times in my life. I don't know where I'm getting off. I do know where I'm getting off, but I actually can't see where I'm getting off. But you need to know that you can create, be, do, have anything at all. You can have adventures that really test your patience, test your nerves, test your fear and your mindset all at the same time. But you can come through the other side like I did with the fog. You know, it is all about knowing that, you know, the path and journey that you are going along will change. The decisions that you make will change directions of where you're going, and that's okay. But you can create whatever it is. Just stay focused on the positive, stay focused on what you want to receive, stay focused on what you want, and release and let go and walk away from anything that doesn't align with that, because you're doing the best you can with the situation you're in, and you're here for a big adventurous life. Whether that be you read 50 books in a year, whether you do climb Mount Everest or not, whether you move house, whether you say yes to the love of your life, whatever it is, go for it, believe in you, create your life, show up to your life. We're not here long, okay? If you want any more encouragement, go to Rebecca.x, have a look at everything that's on there. It really will inspire, empower, and motivate you. And I would love you to come to the Ignite Live event. It is my empowerment convention. It will really transform your life. Have a look at the website. Have a look at the link on that, as I record this in 2023. And I would love to meet you there. I'll see you on the next podcast.